USAJOBS Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our USJobs Online Job Platform Review. In this video, we'll go over what USAJobs offers, how it works, and who it's best suited for. If you're looking for federal government job opportunities, this platform is one of the most important resources available. You'll find a link to USAJobs in the description below, so be sure to check it out. USAJobs is the official employment portal for the United States federal government. It provides job seekers with access to thousands of government positions across different agencies, departments, and locations. Whether you're looking for an entry-level role, a mid-career position, or a high-level executive role, USAJobs offers opportunities in virtually every field, including healthcare, law enforcement, engineering, administration, and IT. One of the platform's key features is its advanced search and filtering system. Job seekers can filter opportunities based on location, salary, agency, job type, and hiring paths, such as veterans preference, students, or individuals with disabilities. Each job listing provides detailed information on eligibility, application requirements, and expected salary. To apply for jobs, users must create a USAJobs profile and upload their resume, transcripts, and other required documents. The system also allows you to build a resume directly on the platform, which can be beneficial since some federal agencies use automated resume scanning systems. Additionally, users can set up job alerts to receive notifications about new listings that match their criteria. One challenge with USAJobs is the complex application process. Unlike private sector job boards, federal job applications often require additional documentation, such as cover letters, questionnaires, and responses to specific qualification criteria. The hiring process can also be lengthy, with some positions taking weeks or months to fill. However, the benefits of federal employment, such as competitive salaries, job security, and great benefits, make it worth the effort. In conclusion, USAJobs is the go-to platform for anyone looking to work in the federal government. While the application process can be time-consuming, the extensive job listings, detailed filters, and career resources make it an essential tool for job seekers in the public sector. If you're interested in federal jobs, check out the link in the description and start exploring opportunities today.